Welcome to TT's Playroom. Hi friends! Today we are going to learn about our body parts. Let's start! Face. This is my face. Eyes. These are my eyes. Eyebrows. These are my eyebrows. Ears. These are my ears. Nose. This is my nose. Mouth. This is my mouth. Teeth. These are my teeth. Tongue. This is my tongue. Chin. This is my chin. Hair. This is my hair. Shoulders. These are my shoulders. Arms. These are my arms. Elbow. This is my elbow. Hands. These are my hands. Fingers. These are my fingers. Chest. This is my chest. Stomach. This is my stomach. Legs. These are my legs. Knee. This is my knee. Feet. These are my feet. Toes. These are my toes. Back. This is my back. Thank you for learning our body parts with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos.